Hi everybody, today we're going to make soda bread. For this we'll need 225 grams of plain flour, 225 grams of wholemeal flour. Into the mixing bowl it goes, together with a handful of rolled oats or porridge oats. To this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, and 1 generous tablespoon of black treacle. Now we're going to add 400 milliliters of buttermilk and mix it all together. Once everything is mixed, we put it into a lined bread tin. Now we knock the air out of it and take a butter knife, cut a deep incision all the way through, and this, as they say, is to let the fairies out. Our loaf tin goes into a hot oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then you lower the heat to 170 degrees Celsius and bake for a further 30 minutes. Once your bread is done, take it out of the tin, tap the bottom to make sure that it's cooked through. Remove the paper. And slice. Now you have soda bread. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos and leave your comment below.